Hello students, welcome to my channel Physics Coach. मेरा नाम अंकित. Let us start a lecture. We have been given a particle of mass which is having the mass m and charge q is capped in between the vertical plate. So I am just drawing a diagram. Have a look and try to solve the question from your own. I am just trying. You can also try with my. These are the negative. This is a positive plate. Above one is the negative plate, and this is the. Let us suppose consider this to be the drop plate, oil drop plate. This is having the charge q and mass m. This particle of mass m having charge q is capped in equilibrium. Equilibrium means net force is zero. Net force is zero means net force in x is zero, net force in y is zero. Whenever it is saying net force is zero, which means in x and y net force is zero. Clear? This particle having mass m and charge q is placed in this field. This field is, direction of the field is from positive to negative direction in this way. You need to find the acceleration of this oil droplet or a particle when I reverse this electric field. This is the electric field. When I reverse this direction, then find the acceleration of the oil droplet. तो कैसे करेंगे सॉल्व इसको? पहले हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं how to, in this condition, what is the acceleration? Since in this condition, if I draw the free body diagram, this is the oil droplet and free body diagram बनाते हैं इसका. वेट कहाँ लगेगा? नीचे mg and फोर्स कहाँ रहेगा? ऊपर. x y जहां भी आपका मन हो बना लीजिए. Let us suppose I draw this to be the x, this is to be the y. Since this oil droplet is in equilibrium initially as per the question, so net force is F, above one is positive, below one is negative, is equal to mass into acceleration of this drop. Since this is equilibrium, so it will not accelerate, it will remain at rest. So finally we got the F is equal to mg. This is when we are not reversing the electric field. Now same electric plate is here. Now I reverse the electric field direction. Then what happens? Just see. In this manner, what is? This will become positive. This will become negative. Now the oil droplet. Just visualize it and see. This is my oil droplet. Now draw the free body diagram. In this, now the electric field will be in this direction, positive to negative. Now draw the free body diagram in this condition. mg below 1, this is my oil droplet, and electric force, that is F, Fe, whatever else. It is also in the bottommost direction. Clear? Now net force will be along the y, which is equal to mass time acceleration. Always remember one thing. You see, F is acting downward. As per my sign convention, this is my origin, this is x, this is y. So below one is negative y axis, leftmost is negative x axis. So just see, both Fe and mg are acting in the same direction and in the below direction, which is equal to mass time what? Acceleration. You don't know because you are calculating the acceleration. So you will not put the sign of this acceleration. Always remember. बहुत बच्चे क्या गलती करते हैं? Many students did a mistake. they put the sign of this acceleration and calculate it. So never put the sign of the quantities whom we are going to calculate. So finally we got the expression Fe plus mg upon m. You can write Fe is equal to QE और value of F आपको पता ही है, how much you calculate mg. mg because mg plus mg divided by m. So finally we got the answer to be minus 2g. This negative 2g indicate what? This negative 2g indicate the direction of acceleration only. Negative indicate only the direction. Okay. And the magnitude is 2g. This is the magnitude. Why I take Fe to be the mg? Because we already calculate this is the magnitude of the electric field mg. This we already calculate. So I just put this and finally I got the value of acceleration. So with this acceleration our particle will go down. Earlier it is at rest, it will not move, its acceleration is 0, but when you reverse the electric field this will move with this acceleration. So some question can other also I ask like how much what is the displacement, what is the final velocity, if it is starting from rest. Several question arises. If you know the concept, if your concept is clear, you can easily get the answer. So अगर आपको वाकई में मेरा पढ़ाया हुआ अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब, क्योंकि आपका एक लाइक मुझे कॉन्फिडेंट देता, मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस अंदर से लाता है कि हाँ कि आई एम डूइंग समथिंग ग्रेट फॉर यू पीपल, एंड मुझे मतलब एक अंदर से मोटिवेशन देता है कि मैं आगे भी आपके लिए अच्छे से अच्छा कंटेंट बनाऊं और से अच्छा, ताकि आप लोग ग्रो कर सके, आप लोगों की हेल्प हो सके. सो एक लाइक करने में ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लगेगा. Keep like, keep subscribing and keep helping. Thanks a lot. Thank you so much.